Muffin tin. Muffin tin. Cake pan. Cake pan. Baking sheet. Baking sheet. Pitcher. Pitcher. Food processor. Food processor. Electric mixer. Electric mixer. Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. Rice cooker. Rice cooker. Steamer. Steamer. Skillet. Skillet. Wok. Wok. Electric kettle. Electric kettle. Apron. Apron.
Blanket. Use a blanket if you feel cold. Lamp. Turn on the lamp to read. Bottle. This water bottle is empty. Plate. Put the cake on a small plate. Spoon. I need a spoon to eat the soup. Soap. Wash your hands with soap. Towel. Use a clean towel to dry your hands. Clock. The clock on the wall is slow. Time. Please arrive on time. Love. Love is a powerful emotion. Happiness. Family is the secret to happiness. Truth. Always tell the truth.
Saucer. Saucer. Napkin holder. Napkin holder. Measuring spoon. Measuring spoon. Sieve. Sieve. Mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. Zester. Zester. Pastry brush. Pastry brush. Jar. Jar. Oil dispenser. Oil dispenser. Skewers. Skewers. Adventure. Adventure. Bake. Bake. Build. Build.
A woman was waiting at the bus stop. The king ruled the country for years. The pilot landed the plane safely. Our cook makes great biryani. The dog is barking at the stranger. My cat loves to drink milk. The lion is the king of the forest. The elephant has a very long trunk. The horse runs very fast. The cow gives us fresh milk. A beautiful bird is singing on the tree. There are many fish in the pond. I saw a snake in the garden. The tiger has black stripes on its body. The mango tree provides cool shade. This red flower smells amazing. The sun rises in the east. The moon shines brightly at night. Look at the twinkling stars in the sky. The river flows through the valley. Mount Everest is the highest mountain. I love the smell of earth after rain. The sky is clear and blue today. The water in the sea is salty. Water. Drink plenty of water every day. Milk. Milk is good for your bones. Bread. I had eggs and bread for breakfast. Rice. We usually eat rice for lunch. Apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Sugar. Don't put too much sugar in my tea. Salt. Pass me the salt, please. Tea. I prefer tea over coffee. Juice. Orange juice is full of vitamin C. Money. He spent all his money on books. Paper. Write your name on this paper. Pillow. This pillow is very soft.
Chopstick. Chopstick. Cake stand. Cake stand. Pastry bag. Pastry bag. Meat tenderizer. Meat tenderizer. Oven gloves. Oven gloves. Electric grill. Electric grill. Tablecloth. Tablecloth. Napkin. Napkin. Baking mold. Baking mold. Lemon squeezer. Lemon squeezer. Potato masher. Potato masher. Food scale. Food scale. Ice tong. Ice tong. Food cover. Food cover. Spice rack. Spice rack. Salt shaker. Salt shaker. Butter dish. Butter dish. Bread basket. Bread basket. Fry basket. Fry basket.